Have you ever found yourself dreaming about fixing a car? What could your subconscious be telling you when you dream about car repair? Let's delve into the fascinating realm of dreams, where we'll try to decode the mystery behind these night visions. Are you ready to explore the labyrinth of your subconscious? Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you. Car repair dreams might not always be as straightforward as they seem. They could carry negative connotations. Let's delve deeper into the shadows of these nocturnal narratives. Sometimes, dreaming about car repair might suggest that you are facing obstacles in your life that need to be addressed immediately. Just like a car that needs fixing, there might be parts of your life that are not functioning as they should. These could range from personal relationships to professional hurdles. In another light, car repair dreams could indicate feelings of inadequacy or failure in achieving your goals or maintaining control. If in your dream you struggle to mend the car, it could symbolize your subconscious feelings of being stuck or unable to progress in some aspect of your life. Often, our dreams can mirror our inner anxieties and fears. Car repair dreams might symbolize underlying anxieties related to your personal or professional life. The car, a symbol of our journey through life, needing repairs, could represent the worries you carry about the path you are on. Lastly, this type of dream can be a manifestation of your concerns about a situation that seems unsolvable or overwhelming. If the car repair in your dream is complex or appears impossible, it could reflect your feelings about a situation in your waking life that seems too challenging to navigate. Perhaps you're dealing with a problem that feels too big to handle, or a situation that's spiraling out of control. However, it's important to remember that dreams are highly individual and their meanings can vary greatly depending on the dreamer's personal circumstances. So, while these interpretations might ring true for some, they might not for others. It's always crucial to reflect on your own personal context when trying to decipher your dreams. So, if you dream of car repairs, it might be a wake-up call to address these issues. It's an invitation from your subconscious to tackle the problems head-on and find a way to get everything running smoothly again. Don't shy away from these dreams, but rather use them as a tool for self-improvement and growth. On the flip side, car repair dreams can also harbor positive meanings. Essentially, these dreams can represent a transformation, a metamorphosis, if you will, where you're actively taking steps to improve your life or solve the problems currently on your plate. This could be anything from mending a strained relationship to overcoming a personal challenge, or even making a career shift. The key symbolism here is repair, the act of making something that's broken work again. This signifies your proactive attitude and your ability to fix what's broken, both in the tangible world and within your emotional landscape. Now let's dig a bit deeper. Car repair dreams can also symbolize personal growth and your ongoing efforts to better yourself. Imagine you're under the bonnet of a car, tinkering away. This can be a metaphor for the work you're doing on yourself, honing your skills, improving your mindset, or addressing your flaws. It's about the journey of self-improvement, the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Finally, such a dream could indicate that you are ready to make necessary adjustments and transitions to keep moving forward in life. This is akin to changing the tires on your car or tweaking the engine for optimal performance. It suggests that you're not just prepared to face the challenges life throws your way, but you're also willing to make changes and adaptations to ensure you keep progressing. It's about resilience, flexibility, and the courage to navigate through life's winding roads, no matter how bumpy they may be. So, in essence, car repair dreams can serve as an encouraging sign. They can symbolize your resilience, your ability to adapt, and your commitment to personal growth. They remind you that you have the power to fix what's broken and to keep moving forward, no matter what. Car repair dreams, thus, can be a beacon of hope and a sign of your resilience. Remember, dreams are a reflection of our subconscious mind and can provide valuable insights into our lives. We encourage you to engage, like, share, subscribe, and recount your dream narratives in the comments. Don't overlook the video description for bonus content. Thank you for watching. As Carl Jung once said, "Who looks outside, dreams. Who looks inside, awakes." So keep dreaming and keep exploring your inner self.